Hey people, welcome back to my channel. So today we're making beef burger. I woke up this morning and I just saw bread and more bread in my house, and I said waiting happen. Anyway guys, let's make burger bread like I said, beef burger rather. And I thought to myself, let's not waste, no waste stone here. Let's use what we have to get what we want. So I'm decided to make this beef burger. I have beef pate in my freezer for the longest of time, and I said why not just use it. So I fried it, and after that I tried to use masher to flatten it to get a flat look. So I have some in my air fryer. So as I flatten this one, I return it back into the air fryer for it to get crispier. So before then I marinated it. I put seasoning and salt to give it a taste. And so right here I have my bread. The reason why I'm doing this is just to pan fry it to make it crispy, so that when I put in my tomatoes, my cucumbers and my mayonnaise, it doesn't become soggy. So when it's crispy on the surface, it doesn't sink into to make it soggy, so it could be enjoyed. That's the idea that's how to make your burger. You don't make the bread soggy, if you know what I mean. So I'm improvising by using my fry pan. So I've made this one earlier, and I thought to show you guys here on how to get this easy peasy homemade burger bread. So yes, this is another batch I'm making now. The idea is just to avoid it being soggy. You can always improvise. If you don't have a shawarma maker, use your fry pan in the house. No wala, no stress. So right now I was getting to the business of the day, business proper. We're making our beef burger. And what you need for your beef burger, you need your bread, you need your beef. You could use chicken if you want, but I'm using beef today. You need your cheese, you need your tomatoes, your cucumber. So here we go now. I've toasted this bread already. So we have it here with us.
Of course, I love it. And by the way, today is Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to me. Nobody told me Happy Mother's Day in my house. No, but if you don't wish me, I wish myself. Happy Mother's Day. You're doing something with, You're a great mother. You're a good mother. You're a blessed mother. Your hands are blessed, and I know that I will eat fruit of my labor in the mighty name of Jesus. So, like I was saying, let us get right into this beef burger making. Mom, what don't you see?
No, what happens is that every time they always say Mother's Day. So we don't know the real one that they're doing.
Mother's Day is almost 100 billion. Anyway, are we not what celebrating every day? Are we not? Answer now. Are we not what celebrating? Oh, super woman, super mom. So, I'd put shawarma sauce on the bread. So because I had baked it, it's crunchy, so the shawarma sauce would not sink down the bread to make it soggy. Okay, so we're adding our lettuce. Our cucumber, tomatoes, our beef, this cheese wants to disgrace me. Now let's do it this way. Cheese should be on the right. Then, bam. And guys, this is our beef burger sitting pretty big. Right guys, easy peasy, right? Healthy.
Right here we bought beef burger for our dogo to taste. Now, you know anything we'll do in the kitchen, we come to give dogo to give us a sincere score, a rate of 1 to 10, looking pretty, and I give myself 8/10 if I do say so myself, guys. So this is our homemade beef burger that's about to be dogged down by Yodogo with a cup of cappuccino there. Bon appetit, bye.